Hey guys, and welcome to my life. My name is Adriana Haddad. I'm 17 years old and go to Doha College in Qatar. If you're wondering where Qatar is, let me just show you. My parents wanted to give me everything they didn't have when growing up. Basically, I'm spoiled. I have everything and more. The shoes, the cars, the house, everything. I have the world at my fingertips. I can do what I want, when I want. Watch out, Doha. There's a new queen in town.
It's my first day of school and it was going pretty well until that Riyadh boy hit on me.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Riyadh. Who are you?
How could you not know who I am?
Well, it is your first day in school.
So what? You should know who I am. I'm Adriana.
Wow, that's really hot here. Do you want to go on a date with me or something?
Sorry, I don't date peasants with bumfucks. So back off.
Oh, what a bitch.
Did you just call me a bitch?
Yeah.
I can't believe you. So the teachers in the school are so annoying. Oh my god, the teachers are such peasants here. I can't believe them.
I'll take that BlackBerry, thank you.
Sir, no, sorry, you can't take my phone.
Give me the phone.
Hold
Give
on,
me the
I'm on the
phone.
phone right
Give me
now.
the phone.
It's the new iPhone 5 if you can.
I don't care what it is, give me the phone.
Sir Davies just took my phone.